video, but me and hubby and the kids, well, Harmony and Red in the back, we're on our way to Georgia. You know, we always shop in Georgia. We're going to the Walmart in Georgia. And oh, before I say all that, Happy New Year's Eve. Yes, Happy New Year's Eve. Rum and I aren't really doing anything besides probably going live on Instagram or live on YouTube tonight. I think we're doing our shot video tonight, and we're also going live tonight. So we're gonna have the kids in bed by a decent hour, probably about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Even if they're not in the bed, they're probably up just sitting there watching TV or something, because they love watching stuff on YouTube, like the kids stuff. So yeah, and hubby and I is gonna bring the new year in with you guys, hopefully, and just have some fun. He bought the shot glass. You gonna buy something else besides Ciroc tonight? Or you gonna change up our drink instead of Ciroc? You wanna drink the Ciroc? Huh?
What do you want, fruity drink?
Well, fruity drink ain't gonna F me up. But that's the purpose of, huh?
You'd be surprised.
You ain't gotta be surprised. You know I get tore up and all. Hey, but you got tore up on 2 drinks. I know it. Golly, I'm weak. But anyway, I'm telling you, you can see me just a little bit. So yeah, that's about it. But yeah, some green apple Ciroc, like I said. I don't know much about drinks, so I can't tell you like what we should get. But I guess we'll just drink that and call it a day. But all I know, when I drunk just a little bit of swig of that, I almost thought I was gonna die. I'm like, oh my god, it's like so strong. I wasn't expecting it to be that strong, because it smells so good, but it's so strong. So but yeah, you guys, and I gotta go to get my stuff from my boutique over there before they close up.
When they close?
So early next month. It's like the first week of next month. And look how the police out. One cop over there. Other cop. So alright, you guys, I guess we'll let y'all talk to y'all when we we'll talk to you guys once we get to Walmart, or when we get something to eat. I'm not sure what we're gonna eat yet. I think we should go to a restaurant and sit down. Punky just wanna pick up something, because I don't want the kids to continue to mess up the truck. So that was why I wanted to sit down and eat. Because it's gonna cost about the same price, so why not just eat being comfortable? Where is the smoke coming from? Chicken light burning down there? Hey, burn the chicken wrong. But burn Murphy grease. I even burn the grease. If he did, Murphy remember the cousin. Yeah, cousin this goddamn behind.
That's what he ready to leave.
Well, he better work on getting his license straight, then getting you a car.
You got a car. Take it to the yard. That works.
Well, he better work on getting his license.
All he needs is his license. What's it called?
And what license? What, insurance or something?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You better work on doing that. And then once you do that, you can go get your job anywhere, Lord's willing, if that's what the Lord sees fit.
You can be working until it happens.
Yep, because ain't nothing here.
Get the more money, then you make it down.
I wish I could see my makeup good. Let me see, because I look really cute today. I probably post a picture. If you're on my Instagram, you can see what. That light is doing nothing for me. Nothing for me. But anyway, you guys, you guys will see it once we get to somewhere bright and lit up. And I'll just talk to you later. I gotta go. Bye.
It probably was, man.
Hi, you guys. So this is my makeup I was telling you guys about. And that's what it looks like. I'm rocking a pretty dark brown lippy. Kind of got like a hint of red burgundy to it. I lined my lip with some brown. I highlighted my lip with some gold shimmery highlight shadow. It's really, really cute. And this is how it's what it looks like. It's what I'm wearing out to dinner. We're actually at Sunny's Barbecue. You seeing this? No, you can't be sitting to the color too fast. Because you got stuff on the back of it, you can do it. And then go Trinity, say hey Trent. Awesome. You don't need, go put it over there. You and Trinity can switch colors. What you think about that?
Thank you.
And I know someone asked me where do I get my pink clothing from. I get it from the store. In the store, not online. It's size large. All of them are large. I thought the same thing. I couldn't fit them until I saw all these girls that was like way bigger than me getting clothes from out of pink. Because I was like, I want that. And like, I'm like, I went online. They didn't have my size. But then I asked the girl what size she was wearing. She said a large. I said, well, I know she can fit a large. I know I can fit a large because her boob's way bigger than mine and she bigger than me. So I said, I'm going to get me a large too. So I got me a large and they fit nicely. This one right here is actually really, really stretchable. And the other one I had on yesterday, it fits really nice too. It's not tight at all. I really, really like it. These right here I think was like $20 or $30 something because it was on sale or something. But and the other one I got was $56. It was not on sale. And the pants is like $60 to $70 something. That's just I'm paying to stay right the way it's at. I'm not dying to have no measured set when I can wear what I want to wear, like my black pants, the tights I got on, with me some boots. I don't need that whole set, you know. And they fit like leggings anyway, so why would I want to get some leggings that got pink on it? You know, I could just wear some regular leggings with some boots or whatever. So that's what I did. And this is my company's hair, Pink Diamond Hair Extension. The same unit y'all been seeing. I just wet it. It's actually dry. I combed it out and put some grease on it so my curls can part. Then I sprayed it with this holding spray so it will look like it's wet and it will stay long. And instead of shrink up when it dries. So yeah, that's what I did to make my curls stay look like it's popping. My hair look like it's still wet. So I'll be back once my food gets here. And just down joining the family. Destiny and Vaughn want to go to grandma's house, and we end up going out to eat. And they're gonna be pretty mad when they get back, but they staying with grandma the other night anyway. But I told them we're gonna take them. We're gonna bring them something back to eat anyway. Cause Destiny loves ribs and macaroni, so I'm gonna bring them back something to eat. And I might just get them because we're gonna pop fireworks tonight. So we'll see y'all soon. Bye. They're a little bit Harmony eating her food. Hey Red. Red is good. Alright, and this is what I have. Don't try me. I told you about being loud in the restaurant wrong thing, eh? Okay, you guys, listen to eat. Bye. Hey, you guys. So we're leaving Sunny's Barbecue.
Get your foot out my chair.
And we're finna head to Walmart so we can go ahead and get what we need for the house, which I done totally forgot. I know we need a laptop and probably get little things for the
A laptop.
Keyboard.
I'm about to say, man, what you talking about?
You know what I meant.
Yeah.
I was thinking about a laptop instead of the keyboard. Keyboard for the laptop. And pick up some little groceries, and that's gonna be it. So I'll see.
I know you back out that door.
I'll see you guys in there.
You
Oh,
ain't get no phone.
wrong. Yes, she is. She deserved the Galaxy S7. So let's go show Harmony and Trinity the Galaxy S7 that she wanted to look at.
Mommy want phone too.
You want phone too? Okay, let's go show Daddy the phone.
No phone.
Wrong. She's getting the phone. Come on, Red.
The phone over there.
So you guys, what?
It's that way.
Wrong.
I'm telling you straight.
Wrong. She's getting the phone.
Oh, it's that way.
Baby, it's this way. Let's go show Daddy the phone.
Yeah, let's.
No, sir. Take that out. That charger for the PlayStation 4, 5. Okay. Whatever it's called. Yep. And no one been good enough to play the game anyway. But you guys, be careful, baby. So anyway, I've been getting so many compliments on my hair. That's the kind of little cell phone you want? Or do you want the one down here? Right here. Don't stop walking past. Look. But look how cool it is. Come ahead and show your daddy what you want. But anyway, folks, I've been getting so many compliments. And like, they think it's like, Trinity, get back over here. Look how they messed up my clothes. I don't appreciate that. But anyway, they think it's still wet when it's completely dry.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom? Come on. Wrong. Trinity, gotta go to the bathroom. Come on, Trent. So we're finna go to the party. Trinity, come on. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, we are definitely back. Ron takes forever to do stuff. I swear to you, he does. But anyway, you guys, enough rambling and talking. Oh, do you see my eye makeup? It is like, it's so cute today. Trinity, now. Hand. So, anyway, we're going to go get some stuff because after we leave here, we're going to get fireworks for the children. And people are like, like so nosy. They never seen like folks like vlog before. So of course they're like, want to look. Trinity, you point at one more thing, I'm going to show you what to point at. I sure did. You got barbecue sauce in your mouth. I had barbecue sauce in my mouth. You didn't even tell me. So let's get some drinks and some snacks. Huh? Rome. Look, babe. Aww. For little Romeo. Are y'all ready for little Romeo? Let's go look at the newborns. And yes, me and Rome is going to have another baby. Rome told them that we are definitely having another baby. Oh, they got a newborn right there.
Mama.
Be like, oh, Avis. Oh. No, we're not getting a little sister. We're having a brother. What, babe? Come on, look at Junior. Oh my God, my heart is melting. Oh, Rome. Babe, where you at? Oh my goodness. Who's having a little girl that I can spoil? That's local.
Mama, how about these?
Rome, look, babe. You did not just walk past me. You better bring your turtleneck ass back over here. Come here, Trinity.
ABC for babies.
Your daddy play too much. It's ugly as hell. Baby, come look. Aww. You ready for your new brother? You gonna rub mama belly? Rub mama belly. Aww, you ready for the little baby boy? What we gonna name him? We're gonna name him Sunshine.
No.
Oh, I think I need to make him my baby daddy. Oh.
Not Sunshine.
Oh, what's your name? Oh, you make my mouth watery. I am. Dang, can we like look at stuff and buy other stuff? We planning for the new baby, remember? Our new baby. Right? Look at some jeans right here for Junior.
Mama, this for baby.
Harmony, you ready for your new little brother? Shut up, Rome. Yes, she is. You already said we were. And baby, look, we get our baby room together, and look, I be rocking. I be rocking at night. Oh, you gonna be rocking at night? Which one gonna be rocking at night? Oh, Rome. Show me, baby. Baby, that's what, baby. Put it down. I see it. It's right here. Shopping for the newborn. Shopping for the infant. No, newborn.
How about we put the boy in
The little boy. Wrong. Trinity, how about we put the little boy in there?
How about this?
Oh, Trinity, this is cute, girl.
That's what I want to do.
You want to get in there?
Can I try it?
Yeah, you could try it. Oh, I like that. You want to try? Rum Harmony want to try. Oh, is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Take it out.
We got it.
Let her try. Awesome. Ooh, I like that. How many you like that chair?
Get out my chair.
Come on, Harmony. Let's put the chair back, Trinity. 1. Don't make me count to 2. Now, let's go. Good girls. Trinity, you don't walk without me. Oh, nothing makes sense before coffee. This looks very comfortable.
Mama, you can do.
I see it. That's gross. Let's go. Trin, don't you ever tell me to eat no shit. Are you crazy? I have my sorry pants on. Or my sassy pants. What I'm talking about. Wrong look. You gotta be wondering where I get my little nightgowns and stuff from. Right here at Walmart. Hey, get over here. I should buy some lingerie and do a lingerie try on for you guys.
Mama.
What the heck you want, child? I see that. I see the stupid trolls, okay?
I want one.
Baby, look.
I want the shirt.
Baby, give me my space, please. Give me my space. Just go ahead and give it to me.
Mama.
I'm gonna count to 1, and y'all better be over here by this darn bucket, or it's going down in Walmart. Exactly. It's going down for real. Harmony. You want me to show out? Get over here now.
Mama.
You know I ain't play like that, child. Get back in the buggy. You don't deserve to get out the buggy. Get back. Hey, Ron, you think you slick? I still see that darn thing in the buggy.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
How much that thing is?
I know, $20-something, baby.
All right. No, you don't need to walk. Come on, Trinity. Trinity act up. She get back in the buggy. How much is this? It don't have a price on it. This is cute though, isn't it, babe? Where the heck was this during Christmas time? No, but looking for it. Trinity, get in the buggy. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna find stuff for my girls and I'll be back. didn't know that. That shit could have shot me in my damn face. Jesus. See that what I mean? That shit could have fired off in my face. Bitch, I would have been fucking dead out here. Keep laughing, Romo.
We ain't gonna find out.
Shit, I've been pissed off by this goddamn hair on my goddamn face. You don't know it's over until you wait 30 seconds.
I don't want to know it, Daddy. I'll just show it. Oh no. Can we do it?
You just shaking because the bird almost shook some shit over my face.
I heard you, Red. Don't shut up.
Trina a scary cat, Ron. All right, Daddy, we are ready.
No, we're not.
Everybody lean back on Daddy's car.
I'm not ready because my shoe off.
No, you can't sit in Daddy's car. Just lean back on the car. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh.
Hey, you said it was small though, huh?
No, I'm talking about.
Yeah, that one more go.
Okay.
Huh?
My wig's got back. My wig's falling off. I can't hold my head back too long. It fell off. My wig just fell off, Ron.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I could have got covered.
Yeah, Ron. Let's go back. That bill went up $30 at Walmart.
Yeah.
Bitch, let's go. Let's go there and get some more. We ain't gonna say that motherfucker off. Yes! Put it back on, girl. Bird, help your sister. Fine, put my wig in the car, son. It just came off.
You know how to catch you? No. You told me you know.
Y'all move out the way.
Mom, we be 100.
Run, Daddy, run, Daddy, run, run, run.
Daddy!
God damn, my ears. Woo! Jesus! It fell on me! Woo! Round me! Woo! Woo! Shit! Ron, you hear the stuff coming from the tree like it's raining from the damn fireworks. Bitch, I was finna run. I was finna run. Fuck this ball.
I picked that out.
Oh my God, you guys, I am out.
I picked it out.
You picked that one out?
Yeah.
No, you did, because you were still in the car. Me and Daddy picked that out. Y'all have fun?
Yeah. But I picked it. It's more in the car.
I know, Daddy gonna partner with y'all.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Roma, I think we need to go back up there and get one more. Yeah.